realizing the need for quality eye care across the country, understanding the plight of rural India in accessing the gift of vision, seeing the fruits of our service at the parent institution over the past 40 years, the blessings of the Kanchi Shankaracharyas. These are the impetus for us to dream.
Shankara was started with the motive of offering quality eye care to all, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and socio-economic condition.
Shankara is one of a kind organization. Its strength and philosophy stems from the founder. Dr. Ramani started this organization with his passion to serve the poor. He expected no financial reward. His vision has taken shape into a pan-India organization with multiple hospitals.
Scaling up across the country has its own challenges: geographical, regional, linguistic, political, and so on. The secret lies in Shankara work culture.
It is service with humility and compassion. So, whoever coming inside Shankara, who are working for Shankara, should inculcate this Shankara culture, and we show them the way how to empathize. And it's my privilege to nurture the children, the students, how to empathize, how to love the humanity, and how to offer service.
Community eye care in India, the second most populous country in the world, comes with its own challenges. Right from identifying the right location for the outreach camp, to identifying the right beneficiaries for the outreach camp, and ensuring that every patient who is selected for surgery is brought to the base hospital, is provided the utmost amount of care and treatment with no compromise on quality, is a huge challenge.
In treating the underprivileged, we at Shankara do not differentiate. We consistently have had a high sight restoration rate, and this comes about from our policy of no compromise. Sankalp, the Shankara Quality Assurance Learning Program that monitors the overall quality through quality indicators, as well as ensuring ongoing training for all our staff.
Shankara today, we can proudly say that every day over 700 free eye surgeries are performed across our network, leading to over 150,000 plus eye surgeries every year. And this is just the beginning.
All this just to remind us that there is a human being behind every surgery that we are performing.
Infusing the Shankara DNA to people across the country who are going to work for Shankara movement for that matter is a challenging process, but that makes us different and unique.